Alright, what's good at te whānau? Welcome back to another episode of a Māori Phrase a Day. You already know what we're up to. Hey, let's ouch. So, today's Māori phrase, mā te huruhuru te manu ka rere, which means it is the feathers that enable the bird to fly. It's a beautiful metaphor for the resources or support that help us achieve our potential. Ooh, I like it. Hey, to explain that a little bit more, whānau, just like a bird needs feathers to fly, we need our own resources, support or tools to help us achieve our goals. It's a reminder that we all need certain things to succeed and thrive in life. So, for an example, for me, I reckon, in order for me to achieve my goals and stuff in life, I need my community, but also I need my safe place to sort of recharge, which is, my whare, where I live. And it's away from everyone. It's somewhere where I can just chill, do me, recharge, and then get back out there and do the mahi. Hey! If that was wrong or I mispronounced it, please comment down below so we can all get it right. And always remember, it's a good day to have a good day, whānau. So go ahead and have a good day. Ciao!